Alright guys, so here's what we're going to do. It says learning target 18, day 3 up top, but it's day 4. So you're going to read through the problem, you're going to write an equation using the variables they tell you, and then you're going to interpret what the slope and the y-intercept mean, and then finally answer the question. So if you're looking at number 1, it says for babysitting, Nicole charges a flat fee of $3 plus $5 an hour. Write an equation for the cost C after H hours of babysitting, and then it asks the question, how much money will she make? So when we're going to start writing our equation, instead of y equals mx plus b, the first one we're going to use is this C over here on the right. Because it says write an equation for the cost it's going to charge you for hiring Nicole. So we got C is equal to, and get out our trusty highlighters here. The first thing you want to look for the numbers to plug in would be your rate. $5 per hour. I mean, if you read number 2, it says $20 transportation fee and $30 an hour. The $30 per hour, that's our rate. So when we're writing our equation, and I'll just write it in green because I highlighted it, it's going to be C for the cost is equal to 5H plus, and then the other rate, no matter what, it's going to charge you $3 here for Nicole to come to your house to babysit. So it'd be plus 3. Our y-intercept is plus 3. So now when you're looking at your equation, you have to interpret what the slope is. Well, what does that 5 mean? That highlighted green 5. Well, that's talking about the hourly rate she gets paid. The y-intercept is the fee it costs for her to get to your house. So the y-intercept is the initial amount you have to pay her. So no matter what, she's making that $3. She stops at your house, she makes $3, and then every hour after that she earns another $5 on top of the $3 you already paid. So now it's asking how much money will she make if she babysits for 5 hours. Well, what you're going to do is plug in your 5. So the cost equals the hourly rate, 5, times, and then in parentheses I'm putting the 5 hours she worked, right? This 5 represents right there, plus the $3 fee to get her to your house. So the cost to get Nicole to babysit for 5 hours would be $25 plus the 3, which would be $28 for her time. So when you're going through, make sure you're plugging the variable into the right spot, and then we'll talk again on Thursday before we start reviewing to make sure we did everything correctly. But it's pretty straightforward from here on in. This is what you're going to do. Highlight the rate. Use that. That's going to be the value you put out in front of the variable. And then any starting amount or initial amount or flat fee, that is the y-intercept, and you're going to put that at the end. Good luck. Have a good day, and hopefully you guys have a good report.